y'all, guess what video we doing today? Today's video I am doing my hair with a diffuser. The last video I did my hair curly. You know, I showed you guys how to do it, you know, with the curls, whatever. But I air dried it, and then it still looks like, it look like this. But this time we are going to use a diffuser. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use this. We're gonna be using a diffuser this time. I don't use this, but you know what I'm saying? I don't use it anymore because I rather air dry than put heat on my hair, you know what I'm saying? Oh. But let me show you guys the difference between how my curls came out when they air dried to when you blow dry with a diffuser. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let's get this shit started. Ew.
So I have my hair in this one.
You can see my edges. If you guys want to know how to get these edges laid, you know what I'm saying, get your edges laid. I have a picture on my Instagram that tells you guys if I get 100 comments, I will drop a video slaying my edges for y'all. So go do that.
I'm back in the front. I thought it was perfect. I don't know how. I'm still looking.
My hair dried up. My hair dried up a little bit. We're gonna spray down. Now I got this all wet. It actually helps keep your hair like shiny, but I don't want to use it anymore because it kind of leaves my hair very flaky. I feel like it does that, you know what I'm saying? Might not do that to other people, but yeah. This is what I use. Oh, let me get a little bit. Let me get a little bit. And make sure you get your whole hair evenly spread throughout your whole hair. Oh, son of a... Get a little bit more if you need some more. Work throughout your hair.
Bruh.
I have patience. Should I just, no, I'm just put them on because I look cute. I look cute with them on. It'll just throw the whole video off, you know. If you guys want to wet it a little more, just to be on the safe side, so it spreads the conditioner evenly, you know, because it's wet. No, but. So now your hair is thoroughly wet. I'm about to blow dry my hair. I'm about to blow dry my hair. And I don't really care if I hate or gon' hate, cause my hair gon' look luscious all motherfucking day. So this is how I blow dry my hair with a diffuser, okay? This is how I use my little thing right now, okay? Split it down, you know, not really through the middle, but kind of, you know what I'm saying? A little some. And then you put it on warm heat, you know what I'm saying? Not, I mean, you could put it on hot. Yeah, put it on hot, you know, a little warmer. It works better with hot air than with cold air, so don't do it with cold air, okay? You gotta do it hot. You know, I don't want to do my hair with a lot of heat, but let me show you guys. Ooh, I'm trying to get on my tippy toes. Hold on. So, you make sure that all the curls are inside. You see that? You have to make sure that they're all in there. Count to like 10 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10. And go to the next one. And here. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want my hair really split down the middle when it's done drying. I'm gonna do this. Yes, this side is a little drier than this flat side. You see the difference? Okay. Let's see. See the difference? Diffuser? Not diffuser. This one just has to dry, you know? But let's dry it up. Oh. So now, let's do this side. A lot of hair that I gotta blow dry. A lot of hair that I gotta blow dry before I go outside. I gotta make sure I look right. Fresh and clean, my drip so mean. You know what I mean, jelly bean? You can't see the difference.